Nowadays, a wide variety of cameras are out in the market. DSLRs, mirrorless, blah blah vagera vagera. Of course, Canon and Nikon are the leading one among those. They come up with wide variety of specifications that make the customers' users more comfortable and ease of use. One of those are the Wi-Fi compatible DSLR.
Here I'll be using my Canon 1300D, which is Wi-Fi compatible, and my Lenovo K6 Power smartphone. First of all, we have to download the Canon Camera Connect application from the Play Store. Now let's open the dedicated app. First time, let's select this option. Here comes a new dialog box which shows if the camera and smartphone cannot be connected successfully, initializing the camera's wireless settings is recommended. Let's ignore this. Let's go for the next page. Here shows the different series of camera which the Canon has been provided. Here the Canon has already provided some specified series which is given in the second dialog box, and if your camera doesn't belong to any of this camera, you're so lucky that you got another option which is written EOS series model not included below. Now the next page comes in which two options are given, where the camera's built-in function, if it is there then you can use it, or if it is not there, use the second option. So I'm gonna select the first option since my camera is having a built-in Wi-Fi function. So new page comes which shows whether the camera is having Bluetooth or not. No, it doesn't. So let's go for the second option. The new page comes which shows turn the camera on and press the menu button. So just keep this phone down and let's go for our camera. I am gonna switch on my camera and go for the menu section. Here there are several options has been given, and we have to use this Wi-Fi section right now. And let's go for the dedicated app. There's nothing much to do. Here let's ignore everything. Let's go for the wireless communication settings and press next, and then this page shows that if the camera is having an N mark, or if it is not there, for the second option. So since the camera is having an N mark, let's select that one. In this page there are two options in which they are asking whether the smartphone that you're using is having NFC setting or not. If it is not there, then go for the second option. So I'm gonna press the second option. Now let's go for the menu button again. In the camera options, in the Wi-Fi or NFC setting, it has been disabled, so let's enable that. Now let's go for the Wi-Fi function. Now the new page comes in which two options has been given. Either we can upload the photos directly to the web service, or we can connect to the smartphone. So let's connect to the smartphone. And there's a select a network setting, also an easy connection. So let's go for the easy connection guide and press OK. So now the Canon camera is ready to connect to the smartphone, and there is an encryption key which is the password of this camera which has to be typed in the smartphone in order to connect. So let's go for the smartphone settings. Go for the next page, next, and here comes the display smartphone's Wi-Fi settings screen. So we're gonna select the Wi-Fi. Yes, Wi-Fi is already on, and we can see my camera which is been displayed here, EOS 1300D719. This is my camera. So I'm gonna select that, and the encryption key which was already given in the camera has to be typed. 024750079. 024750079. Yes, now my camera is been connected. Yes, now the phone has been connected to the camera, and in the camera options dialog box which has been shown that start dedicated app on the smartphone. That means let's go for the dedicated app. Yes, I've been diverted back to the dedicated app, and it shows to operate the camera to proceed the next page. That means in a few seconds the camera is going to connect with my phone, and my camera also, the phone has been detected, which is showing connect to this smartphone, which is specially mentioned niche. And let's go for the OK. Yes, now the camera has been connected with the smartphone, and there are two options which came. Which first one is images on the camera. That means I can see all the images of my camera easily inside my smartphone, and you can easily download within a fraction of seconds. And the second option comes the remote live view shooting, which shows that I can control my camera using my smartphone. See the camera, let's focus the camera, place the camera towards this one, and I can myself focus the camera's focus mode using my smartphone, and I can click myself with the help of smartphone. I can change the settings of each and every options. Hello friends, before in order to share the DSLR pics, we were supposed to remove the memory card and connect to the laptop or PC, or directly connect the DSLR to either. It was always a time consuming as well as cumbersome process, especially when we were out for a picnic where we wish to share our pics with friends via Insta, WhatsApp and so on. Since with the feature of Wi-Fi, it happens in a fraction of seconds. There are many people who doesn't know how to connect a camera phone with a smartphone. Friends, I hope you all enjoyed my videos. So please support me with your valuable comments, likes, and please subscribe my channel. Yours, Specky Bro.